Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, hauls, you name it. If it's the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay. And I'd like to say thank you so much for my return supporters. Appreciate you guys a bunch. Thank you. So today's video, it's a super excited video because we're going to be unboxing and trying my most expensive skincare gadgets ever. All of them that I have, this one by far is the most expensive, but is the most promising and the one that has the most science behind. So here it is. This is Eyetech by SpaceTouch, and it is a little device that you put under your eyes that helps with fine lines, wrinkles, dark circles, bag under your eyes, and these have science behind to prove. So I'm super excited to use this. I'm going to do a trial with this with you guys. So every time that I use, before I put it on, I'm gonna take a picture for we do before, so as we progress doing our use, we can see in the end of 1 month using the device a couple of times a week, we're gonna see if there's results. Because I do have, like, sometimes if I go to sleep too late, I got a little dark circle on the eye, I got some little fine lines that we hate. Yes girl, they're there. Don't let these studio lights fool you that everything is bright and perfect. It's not. But in the picture you're going to see exactly how it looks. So I'm talking too much, so let's start unboxing this beauty here, and we're gonna talk a little bit about more, and I'm gonna put a video on one of my sides here as I try the device, showing you guys how to use it. So let's go. Stop talking. All right, so when you get your box, that's where the box comes. All right, so you have here, this is like a brochure that's tell you about the device and how to use it, which is really nice. All right, let's put this beauty here to the side, and the box will look like this. So here it's already touched because I did, like I said, I filmed the piece that you guys gonna be seeing the side here using the device, so I had to put everything back in the box so I can show you how it comes. So that's the way it is. So and this is the device right here. It comes on this beautiful little travel case, and this is a chargeable case. You have the entry here for the charger that also comes in a box, and when you open, that's what it look like. You have a mirror for help you with application of the device. So I'm going to take one device out to show you. First, let's finish just unboxing and see everything that is in the box, then I show you guys the device, how it works. All right, I just want to show you first. So we got the device in the chargeable case, and then you pull this up, and there is a second roll here. The packaging is very beautiful, very aesthetic pleasing, very elegant and sophisticated. So you can see that host a fine device. So this is your charger cable for the little chargeable case. You have one side UPS cable, and this one go into the device here. Mine is already charged because I charged today before filming the first videos for you guys. So let's put this down, and then you got this beautiful little package here, and then you get this beautiful little pouch here. So when I saw that, I thought it would be like I don't know, a traveling case, but it comes in the travel case. So this actually is in order for the device stick to your skin, you have to add this little it's like almost look like a silicone base thing that you stick to the device, and then you stick to your skin. So I'm gonna show you guys how it works, but they come with a lot of them here, so I don't even have no idea how many you have here, but a lot. Alright, so let me put this down. Again, super beautiful, super elegant. love the mirror for application here. So let me take the device out. This is the little tape that I was telling you guys about it. So I just put one here so you can see what it looks like, and then when you're ready for use, you just peel off one side and stick to your eyes. So each one of the device have 8 LED red light on it, and they also have some kind of vibration or pulse, and that's what it does. It stimulate the muscles under your eyes and help tone them and stimulate collagen, so you have a brighter looking younger eyes, and help to tighten the skin on that area, which is amazing. The skin under the eyes is one of the first skin on our face, especially that started aging and showing the sign of age, showing fine lines and wrinkles, which is sad. And if we don't sleep good, darkness and puffiness. And this device, it's promising. And you guys, the price for this is a whooped $2,499, I think, something like that. I'm gonna have in the description of this video the link for SpaceTouch and Eyetech, and the price if you guys will check them out. I know it's expensive, but if it does what it say that it does, like I said, under the under eye area is one of the most difficult one to treat. If it actually does improve that area and make it look better, I'm going to say that worth it every penny. But I'm gonna put in my mouth with the money, so I'm gonna have to do the trial first and then tell you guys if you know actually I see the results. So like I said, I'm gonna do the trial. Every time that I'm going to use, I'll take a picture before, and so in 1 month we come back here, and I hope I have a beautiful, bright and better under eyes. That's the goal there. So yes, so here is the device. I'm going to turn one on for you guys to see it. So the device has a little button here, so what you do, you peel this and then you stick to your under eyes, and then you turn it on. When you turn it on, you have 3 selection. I'm gonna put it near the microphone so you can hear. So the first selection, you have that is the 8 red lights that you have there, and that's option number 1. And then the second option, you have the pulsation or vibration without the light on, if you just wanted to massage the area, or if you want both the light and the massage, which I choose. I prefer to do both treatment at once. Why not, right? And then the third option, you have the light and the vibration or pulsation at the same time. So, and pretty much that's how the device works. For you turn it off, you just hold here, you press and hold, and the device turns off. So super easy to use, super small. You can take this on the plane if you're traveling. The travel case is very travel friendly, very small, can fit on your purse, and you can take it with you in the plane, and you know, just to do your little treatment before you get where you're going and get there look fabulous and refreshed. Alright, that's one thing that I like. You know, traveling, sometimes it's hard to you to bring your skincare gadgets because a lot of them, they are heavy and big, so you can do it, but this actually is very travel friendly. I'm going to have the website for them down in the description of this video if you guys want to watch more video about them. Even if I find any links, I'm going to put it here too, because it actually is a very interesting product, and they say that this is actually the most sophisticated skincare tech device for your under eye in the market right now. So it was very easy to use, very relaxing. I enjoy a lot the light with the pulsation or vibration, and was very relaxing actually, and I'm so looking forward to keep using. And like I said, I'm going to take before and after picture every time I use, so in 1 month from now we can go from 1 to 1 week, 1 to 2 weeks, 1 to 3 weeks, and 4 weeks, so we can see if there is the improvement that this device is promising. I hope there is, because we need help. Alright, thanks so much for watching. If you guys have any question about the device, drop in a comment below and I will answer the best I can. Since you guys know I am new to the device and I just started using it today, so 1 month from now, ask me everything you want, and I'm going to tell you exactly how it performed and how improvement that I see or that I didn't, and we go from there. Okay, I see you guys with this device in 1 month from today. Bye.